In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Hulu gift card. So a Hulu gift card is a simple way to pay for your subscription without using a credit card, or it can be a great option if someone gave it to you as a gift. So redeeming it is really quick, and I'll walk you through the steps. So first, grab your phone or computer and open a browser, and then make sure you are on the official website of Hulu. So at the top right corner, click your profile icon. This will direct you to your profile overview. As you scroll down, you will see here the payment information, and under that, the gift or promotional code. And in here, this is where you'll need to enter the code that you receive from the gift card or promotional code. So after you enter the code, Hulu will ask you to either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. So if you already have a Hulu, just sign in and the balance from your gift card will be applied directly to your subscription. But if you're already logged in, just simply go to the profile section and it will redirect you to your profile overview, and it will automatically applied to your login account. So, one quick tip: if your subscription costs more than the balance on your gift card, the card will be used first, and then Hulu will charge your backup payment method if you have one on file. But if the gift card covers the full amount, you won't be charged at until the balance is finished. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.